Bed positioning and turning. The purpose of bed positioning and turning is to prevent the bedridden patient from bed sore. Put the hands of the patient in the chest. Put pillow on the leg side. And the other pillow on the other side. And I'm going to turn now the patient. And then